my water is almost boiling, and here, turn it down. This is sweet potato noodles, and here I have already boiled eggs. Let me turn it around as well. 12 colored boiled eggs. And over on this side I have salad in the bowl, and I was inspired to make this dish by Maangi. I think you all know Maangi. Maangi is a Korean cook on YouTube, and she is so good in her cooking. Hi. And yeah, she made like a salad, and then she cooked the potato noodles, then she washed them in cold water, and then she adds it in her bowl. And here in my cupboard I have red Korean pepper flakes. Yeah, that's going inside it as well. And then I also have I'm not gonna put the paprika inside. Sorry for my messy kitchen. We have over here, yes, this is Korean red pepper paste. Let me show it to you. There it is. And we are going to use 2 spoons of that and make the sauce. And then here in my cupboard I have white vinegar, so I'm going to use that. Well, not that one really, but this one. Yes, I'm going to use that to make the sauce. And also I saw her using soya sauce. Yeah, so I'm going to prepare it, and then I will show you the result of my cold noodle salad. Yeah, so I am going to cut the cucumber and the lettuce and the tomatoes now. I'm going to cook the noodles now for around 20 minutes. On the package it says cook or soak before, but I don't have time to soak now, so I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. Now I'm going to cut the cucumber in a few slices, so like that. My girls, they have their kitchen service every week, and every day they exchange cleaning up the kitchen. And today is my oldest daughter, her turn, but she's not here. And in order not to spoil her but to stay strict, I will not wash up for her. She has to take her duties seriously. So yeah, I apologize for the messy kitchen, but you all know, a big family, size of 5. Yeah, not everywhere is always clean and tidy. Yeah, but at least my food. Now I'm going to use tomato. I'm going to cut the tomato in little slices as well. And it gives the salad also a nice refreshing color. It invites you to eat already. As you see, I am still a new YouTuber, so I have to improve my video skills. Yeah, I have to, so that the quality of my video is good. Now I have the lettuce, so I'm going to cut the lettuce also in very small eatable sizes. We had salad yesterday, but I mean, you can get tired of salad when you have so many different varieties. Yeah, you can be creative and add other things to your salad. My mom, she likes adding pineapple. The normal pineapple from the tin. Yeah, she adds that to her salad. And I like to add nuts and raisins and sometimes ginger as well. What else did I add? Oh yeah, I made also strawberry salad. That's so refreshing in summer. Yeah, so I will show you when we go to the strawberry field. We are going to pick some strawberry again and then show you too. And I have an apple here. This apple is called Pink Lady. Wash it. I'm just going to use the half only of the. It's such a really crunchy apple. And that's the best to use. I saw Maangi use the other apple though. Yeah, so I cut like this. And she blended and grated it. And then she poured out the juice. So, but I am just going to cut mine here inside of it. Yeah. I'm not following her tutorial exactly. But it's okay. Yeah, I think you will like the recipe still. Yeah. Oh, and one for me. Okay, I'll mix that up. And then I need both of my hands now to look at the noodles. Now here I have a bowl and I am going to mix the sauce in it. So I'm going to take some like a spoonful like this. Yeah. And then 2 spoons of this. 1. And 2. Yeah. That's it. Then I have the soy sauce. I'm going to add also just a spoonful. Finish. Cover it back. And also the vinegar is also a little bit. Just a spoon. Stop. Yeah. And then we are going to mix. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this because I think it's going to be sour. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Meer helpen te filmen. Sorry.
Someone's a blur?
Yeah. Now I'm mixing the sauce. You mix it until it's really smooth. And it's coming. Oh, I forgot. Maangi also add garlic inside of hers. And I think also. So this is good. Now I'm going to put it all over the salad. Now my husband is helping me to film. Doing it with one hand or with the stand is always so awkward. Yeah, so I'm going to mix this all up in the salad. That's not the steps of how it to be done, but I do it like this, and then later on I will just add the noodles to it. So it's like a sweet sour salad, sweet sour noodle salad. Yeah, so I am still going to put one peg of garlic in it, and then I'm going to cut the ready-made boiled eggs. Okay. Now the egg, I'm cutting it like this and like this. Looks nice already, you know, appetizing. So I'm using 2 eggs since we are 5 people. Will not be enough. Yeah. So the eggs are ready. I tested the noodles before, but they were not cooked yet. But I can show it to you how it looks. And I will show you the noodle. Oops. That's how the noodles look like, glass noodle. Yeah, my husband, he doesn't really like eating glass noodles. Oops. But yeah, I can make him a different one. Okay, now we are going to try this. So I think he doesn't want me to eat him. Okay, let me try. I need a little bit more. A bit more and it will be fine. So at the end, I will show you the whole complete salad. Thank you for watching and supporting and giving a thumbs up and liking. Have a wonderful day. So now it's finally finished. I cooked the noodles and then washed them in cold water and then add them to my mixture. And now I put some sesame seed on it and some soya sauce and some sesame seed oil. And now we're going to enjoy our dinner. And this is for 4 people. My husband, he doesn't like the noodles. Well, more for me. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, or you can also make some suggestions. So, see you in the next video.